explain this topic, I would like to ask some questions. I hope that you will reply me slowly.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you have some information about the tenses?
Yes, I have.
Yes, please give me some information.
Mainly there is three tenses.
Okay.
So present tense, past
Yeah.
tense, and future tense. And
Yeah.
each tense have
Mm.
subtenses, which is four. That means we have totally 12 tenses in English grammar. So we start from the present tense.
Yeah.
Present tense having a four sentence is the four tenses. It's the present continuous tense. Second one is the simple tense. Third one is the present perfect tense, and fourth one is the present perfect continuous tense. So, according to what way we are using all the tenses in your routing area, in routing actions. So that time we are using present tense and all the four tenses.
Yeah, good. Okay, good. Clap for me. Yeah. Okay, and if you want to explain about the tenses, how can you explain? That explain. Subtenses and pretenses. You don't know?
I know I can't explain.
Yes. Okay. Can you?
Second tense is
Hmm.
past tense,
Uh,
and in past tense there are two subtense are
Hmm.
like past continuous tense
Hmm.
and past simple tense.
okay. Then. Okay, you finished. What do you want? What do you say about the tenses?
There are three main tenses.
Hmm.
First of all, present tense, past tense, and future tense.
Okay.
And four sub tenses of each and every tense, main tense. And which is we get the present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present simple tense, and present perfect continuous tense. There are four tenses, and these four sub tenses have each and every main tense. And tense is used to conversion we communicate with each other, and tense will increase our English power and perfect some errors.
Okay. Okay, so good. Okay, so you know the tenses. Actually, if you want to discuss about the tenses, so tenses show you the about the timings. Okay, timings like that. What is going on right now? That we can say present, and what was happening in the past? That we can say past tense, and what will happen in the future? What will happen after some time? Sometimes like after 10 minutes, 15 minutes, after 1 day. So we can say
Future.
future tense. So first of all, that so if you want to discussions, then the main tenses, the main timings that we use. So that's for the main tenses. Main tenses like first tense is the present. Right now, what is happening right now? That is a present tense. If you want to discuss of the past tense, so something happened in the past. So that is the mentioned by the yesterday, last day. Okay, and mostly of the other words come is there like was, where, and this all things. Okay. And if you want to discussion, what action will you do after some times or whatever like that. So at that time we can use of future. So future is always donated by the prevention and next day, tomorrow. These all words you can use. Okay, so all of you clear? So there are three sentences. Which one that? First of all, we have discussed about the present. Okay, that's for present tense. And after that, second one is that
Past tense.
past tense. Past tense means what do you mean past tense?
Bhutka.
Past tense was something's happened. Okay, right now you are in present. So what you did after? Beside this, what happened behind you? What's happened behind you? मतलब आपके पीछे क्या हुआ? Okay, so that you know.
No.
So don't know. Okay, so if you want to discuss what happened before 10 minutes, so that's all going past. And if you want to discussions about the what will happen in the future, what will happen in the future means what action will happen in the future. So at that time you can use of future tense. Okay, these are the main tenses. We can say these are the main tenses. Okay, this will show only. You can say this is the present, past, or future, but this is not consider all that its parts. Understood? This is not consider all the parts. Like that. This is what there's a one company. Company there's a lots of the different departments are there. Okay, if you want to go, I want to company. So company is the name, but in that company there are different departments. So this is like this is the tense. This is the present. The present has. This is has also four tenses, and this is has also four tenses, and this is has also four tenses. So it's called the subtense.
Subsentence.
Okay, this is the present. If you want to if you want to, some tenses of that like a present continuous, present simple, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. So these are also same for the past, and these are also same for future. So if you want to say the main tenses are three, and it has four subtenses. So total are 12 tenses. Total are there are 12 tenses. So this is like main tenses and subtenses. So we have to study of. We have to only consider of the main tenses, but if you want to go detailed in study, so we have to use of subtenses. So understood all of you? Some little instruction about the tenses. Clear all of you? Got any doubt? So can we go in deep? Like can we start the first tense? His name is
present tense.
understood all of you? आया समझ में आया? तो ये इस तरह की शॉर्ट आपका इंट्रोडक्शन देना है। क्लियर? जब आप लिखते हो तो लिखते समय भी बोलना जरूरी नहीं, तो लिखते रहो कि पीछे वाले देखते रहते। तो उस समय भी सबको जब भी पढ़ाते हो तो सबके सब एक्टिव होने चाहिए और आपकी नजर सबके ऊपर होनी चाहिए। बिकॉज यहाँ पर अगर आप आ जाते हो सबके सामने अगर आ जाते हो तो आपकी नजर सबके ऊपर होती है, तो आपको सब पर ध्यान भी देना जरूरी है। अगर यहाँ पर आप आ जाते हो तो आप क्या हो जाते हो, वहां पर आप स्टूडेंट होते हो और यहाँ पर आप लीडर हो जाते हो। तो लीडर क्या होता है, सब पर ध्यान रखना। राजा का काम क्या है, प्रजा पर ध्यान देना। तो फिर वहां पे आप प्रजा रहते हो, यहाँ पे राजा आ जाते हो। समझ में आया? तो आपका ध्यान सब पर होना जरूरी है। क्लियर? चलो अभी आप अपने अपने टॉपिक के बारे में सोचो, 2 मिनट देता हूँ, जल्दी से रिवाइज करो, हम वहां पे आके कंटिन्यू करते हैं। वेट फास्ट।